looking at 8-3, starting off with question number 2. Question number 2 starts off with these two equations. We have x plus 2y equals -2, and we have -3x plus 2y equals -10. So since I have my 2y and I have a 2y here, I can get rid of those. These are special equations. When I have systems of linear equations like this, and I have two of the same, it's special. So I can get rid of those by subtracting them from each other. So since they're both positive, I would have to subtract that to make it go away. So here I'm going to distribute my subtraction sign to this, and so this becomes plus x. So I have x, and I'm going to go up and down just like regular adding or subtracting. I have x, and this becomes plus 3x, which gives me 4x. Right here I'm going to be subtracting this 2y. So I have 2y minus 2y, which gives me 0. And I'm going to have this -10 turn into a +10. So I have -2 plus 10, which gives me a +8. So 4x equals 8. I want to get x by itself, so I'm going to divide by 4, divide by 4, and I'm left with x equals 2. I'm going to take this answer for x equals 2 and plug it back into my original equation. So I have x plus 2y equals -2. When I plug the 2 in for the value of x, I get 2 plus 2y equals -2. Subtract the 2 from this side, subtract the 2 from that side. I'm left with 2y equals -2 minus 2 gives me -4. Divide both sides by 2, and I'm left with y equals -2. Once I get x and y, I know my coordinate pair is going to be x, comma, y. So when I have x, comma, y, I plug these in with x as the value of 2 and y as the value of -2. Don't forget to put the parentheses on these for your coordinate pairs because that's important. So my answer for this one is 2, -2. Question number 4 is -4x minus 5y equals 7. And the second equation is 3x, and we have plus 5y equals -14. So now I have both my equations here. I see that my y's again are the ones that are similar. So I have 5y and -5y here. I'm going to add these because it's already the opposite. So I don't need to subtract like I did for question number 2. I'm going to actually just continue to add this. So when I say -4x plus 3x, I get -1x. I have -5y plus 5y, which just gives me 0. And I have 7 minus 14, which is just going to give me -7. So I'm going to bring this down. -1x is the same thing as saying -x. And I bring down my -7. To get rid of the negative here, I'm going to divide by that negative, divide this side by a negative, and left with the value x is equal to 7. I'm going to plug this value for x back into an equation up here, and I can pick either one. So I'll just go ahead and go with the top one. So -4x minus 5y equals 7. Plug in the value of 7 for x, so I have -4. Instead of writing x, I'm going to write 7 minus 5y equals 7. So now this is my new equation that I'm going to work out. So -4 times 7 gives me -28 minus 5y equals 7. I'm going to add 28 to this side. I'm going to add 28 to that side, which gives me 35. So I have -5y. I'm going to divide this side by that -5y. So I can split that apart from the y. So, just divide it by -5, so I leave the y. I want to leave the y there, so I'm just dividing by just -5. So divide by negative 5, divide by negative 5. I'm left with y is equal to 35 goes into negative 5, negative 7 times. So my y value is negative 7. My x value was positive 7. So my answer for this is going to be in coordinate pair x, y format, which x was my 7 and my y was my negative 7. So my answer for question number 4 is positive 7, comma, negative 7.